What up guys? So in today's video I'm gonna show you another ab exercise. So how to correctly perform the Russian twist. Now this I think is the original name for the exercise, Russian twist, just general twist. I don't know, but I just call it the Russian twist. So basically a starting position. Now this exercise is mostly targeted for the obliques. So it's not upper abs, lower abs, it still works them a little bit, but the majority is oblique work. So this is a specific oblique exercise. Now, the starting position. You get in a sitting position, lean a little bit back, and put your feet in the air, and the best way to do it is to cross your legs, like I'm doing right here. So now you take your hands and you go side to side. Now don't just move your arms side to side. The main key is to move your whole torso, to twist your torso like you see I'm doing. With this twist, you're working the obliques, because the obliques are basically the abs on the side that are responsible for twisting your abdomen. Okay, so you need that twisting motion like I'm showing right now. Not just moving the arms, but getting that twist. You see? You gotta focus on those oblique muscles, really twisting your torso. That's the main key and the most important part to performing this exercise correctly. So, again, seating position, legs up, lean back a little bit, and go. Twist. See? Now, an easier variation of this exercise is if you don't have your legs in the air, you can have them on the floor like I'm doing right here. This is an easier variation. It still targets the same muscles, but it's a little bit easier. Now, the normal variation, the Russian twist, you see twisting. Twist your torso. That's the most important part, and that's gonna really engage your obliques. And keep in mind guys, to really focus on squeezing those oblique muscles. Like I'm gonna show you another set. It's really important to focus when you're twisting, really focus on those muscles on the side. Now this is a normal set, so you guys can see. See? Always getting that twist in. Now my legs are moving a little bit side to side. That's not a problem. That's normal. So that's just important. Your legs stay in the air. You're straight. You know, you're not moving your torso back and forth. You're just in position and twisting side to side. That's the correct way to perform a Russian twist and to get those obliques. And with every oblique exercise, you really need to focus on that twist, because the obliques are responsible for twisting your torso. So now when this exercise gets too easy for you guys, you know, when you can do a lot of reps, 50, 60, 70 reps, then you can add some weight. Now how do you add weight? It's pretty simple. Grab a weighted plate like I'm doing right here and just go side to side the same way. Now with this, you're gonna go a little bit slower because you really want to focus and contract those obliques. So go slower and really focus on the twist. That was basically it for this video guys. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe guys. It helps me out tremendously. Peace out.